Welcome to the grand finale of our Lisbon tour. We've reached Belém, the district where history feels as vast as the ocean itself. Our first stop is the Jerónimos Monastery, a masterpiece of Manueline architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The intricate stone carvings tell tales of Portuguese discovery, a period that forever changed the world's map. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Rising from the Tagus is the Belém Tower, the ceremonial gateway to Lisbon and a symbol of the age of discovery. It served as both a fortress and a beacon for explorers returning from unknown lands. Nearby, the Padrão dos Descobrimentos celebrates the visionaries who set sail from these very shores. Led by Henry the Navigator, these figures represent the daring spirit that defined an empire. The ground beneath our feet is a map of the world, marking the routes of Portuguese voyages across the globe. No journey through Belém is complete without a stop at the most famous bakery in the country. Following a secret recipe from the monastery, these tarts are a taste of Lisbon's living history. The pink walls of the Belém Palace remind us of the city's royal past and its vibrant democratic present. Nestled on the hill above is the Ajuda National Palace, a majestic neoclassical monument that was the final residence of the Portuguese royal family. Contrasting the ancient is the MAAT, a modern architectural marvel that sits like a wave along the riverfront. Beside it stands the Tejo Power Station, a beautiful example of industrial heritage that once powered the entire city with light. It's a place where the city breathes, where the breeze from the Atlantic clears the soul. The nearby Royal Coaches Museum houses one of the finest collections of ceremonial carriages in the world. The CCB serves as a modern cultural fortress, hosting the arts and events that keep Lisbon's heart beating. The river is always active, a playground for sailors, and a source of inspiration for all who visit. From here, the scale of Lisbon's landmarks is truly breathtaking, connecting both sides of the river. As the day begins to fade, the monuments of Belém take on a magical, golden hue. It is the perfect end to our journey, a moment of peace where the land meets the sea. From Alfama to Chiado, and now Belém, we've walked through the heart and soul of this incredible city. Lisbon's story continues, and there is always more to discover around the next corner. Thank you for walking with us through the city of Seven Hills. Until next time. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.